Hello, hi, welcome to Aishu's kitchen. Today we are going to make a simple recipe, that is paneer stuffed paratha. Let's look at the ingredients. So this is 100 grams of grated paneer, 1 medium sized chopped onion, half teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of dry mango powder, salt to taste, and I have taken 2 medium sized green chili and I've chopped them. This is some freshly chopped coriander, and we have taken desi ghee for frying the parathas, and this is 300 grams of atta. We need to make it into a soft dough, as you can see. Let's prepare the stuffing now. Some onion, coriander powder, jeera powder, amchur powder, salt to taste, and let's have the main ingredient now, that is grated paneer and some freshly chopped coriander, and we'll mix it. Now I'll tell you how to do the parathas. So I have divided the dough into medium sized portions. I'm taking one of the portion. So we need to make a dent in between. Just use your hands and do this. Make a dent in between. Now we'll put the stuffing. Press the stuffing gently inside the portion of atta. And make it into a ball again. Sprinkle some atta over it. Some dry atta over it. And we're going to use the rolling pin to roll it. So I've rolled it out in a thick paratha now. Don't worry if the stuffing comes out a little bit. Now let's put this into a hot pan. So I have flipped the paratha now. Let's use some desi ghee. You can use very little of desi ghee. And let's flip it to the other side. Now the yummy paneer paratha is ready. You can serve it with fresh curd. If you like the recipe, please hit the subscribe button and comment down below if you need any other recipes. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.